Welcome you all in this educational video of NIOS. We are doing subject Library and Information Science. Code number for this subject is 339. This video is for senior secondary level. We are doing lesson number 7. Name of the lesson is Reference Sources. This is the sign of reference sources. This video is part 7. Today, in this video, we will be learning geographical information sources. Let us understand this in points. Point 1 explains geographical information sources include maps, atlases, globes, gazetteers, and guidebooks. All these sources provide us the geographical details. It has information about different geographical aspects in brief, sometime in the pictorial form, sometime in the text form, so that anyone who is willing to understand that topic can easily understand that from that source. Point number 2 explains that these sources provide information about places, people, rivers, mountains, forests, lakes, etc. So we can easily get all these information from the geographical information sources. Libraries maintain geographical information sources in their reference collection to meet information needs of the users quickly, so that if any user is inquiring about some geographical information, then that can be easily availed through that reference collection. All these reference collection include basically 3 types of sources. The first one is maps, atlases, and globes. The second one is gazetteers. And third one is guidebooks. We will understand all these in further details, in further slides. The first one, which we discussed recently, was maps, atlases, and globes. So let us understand this. Map is a pictorial presentation of the Earth's surface or part of it, showing countries, cities, rivers, lakes, and mountains A map can also be a drawing of the sky showing the position of stars and the planets. There are also different types of maps. The most familiar types of map are shown on the screen also. The first one is general reference maps. The general reference map can be of different further three types. The first one is political map. The second is physical map. The physical map displays the physical boundaries on the paper so that anyone who is looking at the map can easily understand the physical boundaries of the place. The third type of general reference map is road maps or street maps and charts. And the second most familiar type of map is thematic map. In this, the two further categorization is atlases and globes. Let us now understand the gazetteers. Gazetteer is a dictionary of geographical names. It lists names of places, seas, mountains, and other geographical entities of particular area, along with its history, economic development, geography, and the people. So, gazetteer is also a kind of reference source about the geographical names. It provides every detail of that place. And as a reference source, a gazetteer provides historical, social, cultural, political, industrial, and demographic and administrative details of a country, state, or a district. Based on their coverage, gazetteers can be categorized into further three types of gazetteers. The first one is international gazetteer. The second one is national gazetteers, and the third one is local gazetteers. There are some examples of international gazetteers which gives information of different countries. You can have a look at them easily. These are few of the examples. Let us now understand the biographical information sources. Biographical sources are publications listing biographical details of famous people. And a biographical source may contain a biography of an individual or biographies of a group of people, which is also called as collective biographies. So, a collective biographies would be a kind of resource in which there are biographies of group of people. A book which contains collective biographies is also called as biographical dictionary. The example which we can see on screen, it is the Dictionary of International Biography. A biographical source may be international or national in scope depending upon the coverage of persons. Some biographical sources deal with living persons only. And example is Who is Who? While some contain persons who are no longer living. And example is Who was Who? And some sources include life sketches of both living and dead persons. Example, Webster's Biographical Dictionary. Some examples of biographical sources are shown on the screen. The first one is Who is Who in the World. It is a publication which is also available online. And the second one is General Biographical Sources. It is national. The third one is India's Who is Who, published by Infa Publications. Thank you.